Okay, continuing with the navigator, there are some important concepts here that we need to cover before advancing. Basically, here we're here in the navigator. We can see the identification of a robot, the R1 folder. We have the R1 folder. We have the program folder. And when we access this navigator as an operator, logged in as an operator, for example, you notice that the content of the program folder is always represented by an M. So all the objects inside it here has this M symbol. This M here represents a module. As we saw earlier, when we access the navigator using the expert mode or the administrator mode, we see two pieces of information, the SRC file and the DAT file, DAT file. So when I see an M, actually a module represents inside that module we have the SRC file and also the DAT file. So the SRC contains the instructions of the program, all the logic that we have configured for that specific module, such as movement points, conditions, I/O interface, everything we made in there, and all other logics. And in the DAT file, we have all the data of our project. So all the variables, all the attributes you use that is related and used by the source file. When I only see the M, I have access to the module and everything inside it. Now let's switch to administrator mode, for example. KUKA, okay. Alright, now you notice that I no longer see the M representing the module. Instead, I see two files, an SRC and the DAT files, directly. We do not see that module representation, okay? Within that done, we have some options here, and one of them is that we use now create a new module. So I can click, or the routine. To do this, I can click here on new inside the program folder. So I select the program folder and I click on new. I have here options like module, cell, which means external automatic distribution. Okay, we have user submodule, and we have also a module. So then it will ask me, I click OK on module here, and to name this, let's name this module treinamento, which is training in Portuguese. And notice that since I'm working with an administrator, so treinamento, okay. I have both the treinamento, DAT, and the SRC files because I'm logged in as an administrator. If I log in as an operator, I would only see the M object. So if we switch back to operator, now we only see one file called with this M symbol. So it is module. And remember, each module contains both the SRC and the DAT file. Okay? Always both of them, the DAT for data and the SRC file containing all the instructions and everything that the program should actually do.